fucking bastard. You fucking bastard. I'm gonna... Jesus, I'm gonna shove this up your ass! Hayden! You fucking bastard! You fucking bastard! Oh! Hayden, I'm going to fucking kill you! Swear to God! Fucking death wish. You fucking bastard. I'm gonna punch the fuck out of you soon. Go away. You're not funny.
You're gonna be a fucking internet sensation,
You are not funny at all. Oh, I'm gonna fucking punch the fuck out of you. Swear to fucking God. He's got some. Get out of my head like this. Go away. Hayden!